Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I've got a super quick video. I just thought I need to film this as I'm doing it and just share it with you. So this is my mobile phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I think it's a Note 10. I don't know. It's the one with the pen on the bottom. It's a particularly lovely looking phone, and yeah, I run a business from it essentially, so I have a particularly nice phone. It's got a very lovely back, as you can see. It's rainbow holographic, which is divine, but it gets grubby all of the time. And so I tend to put a case on it, but I do put a clear case on. And this must be the third case I've had in the year and a half I've had this phone. My husband says that if anybody bought a mobile phone off me, it would be like buying I don't know, an old banger or something like that, because it's essentially been to the moon and back. I do use it all day, every day. So yeah, my cases tend to get a little bit grubby, and I'm reluctant to buy a clear case repeatedly. So every now and again, I put something seasonal. I create my own backing. Now, this was some paper that I bought. Actually, it was a digital file I bought, and then I printed it off. As you can see, there's festive Mickey Mouse inspired prints all over it. And I thought, I know celebration's coming to an end, but it's time. It's time. So what I'm going to do is cut round my strip of paper, but I need to draw around it first. So, and helpfully, I'm on black. So, and you know what? It's going in a case. It does not need to be totally perfect, just rough. You could use a ruler if you wanted. So I've got that bit in, and then I'm going to cut round where my cameras are. This has 3 cameras on the back and 2 on the front. Lots of cameras. And then I'm just going to cut. I'm actually going to trim that reasonably neatly if I can. Yeah, it was neatish. And then reasonably neat at the top. And then I just need to cut this bit out. And you know, I have so thoroughly enjoyed using the Field and Flower paper. I'm a bit gutted that celebration's only 2 months this year. And I have used it so much. I really have enjoyed using it. So I didn't want to get rid of it. I know. So it's going to live in the back of my phone until I change my mind and think I want something new. But I've actually had this in the back of my phone since about November, and yeah, it's February now. I love my phone, but it's a workhorse for me, and I stopped seeing it after a while. Right, so let's see if that's going to fit in. Not quite, so I need to trim a tiny little bit more off, but I need to work out. Oh no, it is. It is fitting. I need to neaten up my cameras a bit, my camera hole. Can you see? I need to neaten that up a little bit. That's going to be fabulous, isn't it? Because the last thing you want to do is block the cameras. I use my phone for loads of things. I don't use it for filming, because obviously it's there and I'm filming. I do use a professional grade camera for that. And until not that long ago, I used professional grade cameras to take photographs as well, that you would see on the blog. But actually now, I use my phone. Need to trim just a little bit. Actually, let me just check and see if that's going to distort. Need to take a bit more off the inside. Up there. And that, I feel, is good to go. But yeah, I use my mobile phone camera to take the pictures that you see on my blog. Love that. That is such a quick thing to do. The cases are dirt cheap. They really are. I think I pay £4.99 for the case. Be careful what you ask for, what you buy. This has got toughened bits here. I'm not one to put a case over the front of my phone. It's got toughened bits here, on all corners, and this is a particularly good one. Don't ask me the brand. I just searched through past orders. And I do have a screen protector, which you can probably tell because it's got divots out of it. And those get changed every 6 months because I dig into it. But yeah, that's personalised my phone for me. I hope you like it. It's a quick project. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.